what moves in tech we have seen today. I'm up a little bit over 13% on my portfolio, but we made quite a few trades today. Let's take a look at what I'm currently in. I'm currently experimenting, you could say, with Taiwan Semiconductor, right? So the company that provides all of the microchips for um, NVIDIA and for Intel, and they also indirectly supply all of the microchips for Tesla, and not just Tesla, but Apple. So I mean that's a really powerhouse company. I don't know their exact market cap, but I think they're in the top 20 in the world. I think they just passed a trillion market cap. But anyway, let's take a look at their stock really quick. I was wow, what a swing back and forth here today at the end of the day, that consolidation. Um, but they kind of pulled back the past few weeks. And what made me interested in TSM is what it's called, Taiwan Semiconductor, is that they are kind of at a discount. So I've purchased them before. I remember in April 2024, was right here. I actually got in somewhere around here and I had a really nice run up until $184 somewhere in there, guys. Um, but what we saw is that they reached a high of $213 and then they sold off, pushed back up to $207, and now they've sold back down to what was $184 a share. And I was looking on the 3 month, I kind of saw this sell off happen. And then, if you go on the 1 month, and whoa, those candlesticks are huge. It's been kind of just selling off here. And then we go on the 1 week and it's like, wow, it's really been just selling off. But today we kind of saw it recover a little bit, saw it kind of push up. And, I got in today. I think that we're about to see them recover back to what could be over $200 a share. And so that was kind of why I entered the position. They're up about at 1% today. Um, One thing that I want to also, keep in mind when we're looking at this chart and this watch list and everything else is that there's so many, tech companies we could be looking at, and it's kind of crazy, but I'd say almost every stock that I've picked the past year or so has gone up just tremendously. I remember we were talking about Rocket Lab here, and Rocket Lab, oh my gosh, it's at $20 a share. It was just at $3 a share earlier this year. It's like that kind of stuff is happening. Yesterday, we saw Backed, which is a crypto company, in talks with Donald Trump media that they might purchase this crypto company. And the crypto company was kind of like, hanging around. I think they worked a little bit with Robinhood, potentially buying them out. But they were around $11 a share. And they shot up. Let me just look on the 1 week, guys. They shot up to $42 almost a share. And that was all in the span of 1 day. Yesterday from $11 up to 41, 250% in 1 day, on Backed, which is a crypto company. And I actually bought, and I ended up getting out. I was up like $300 on a small position, and then I was like, I'm just gonna sell. But by the time I went to sell, I sold what was not as much. I think I lost around 150. So a little bit sad. It's okay. You got to be really, really careful with these types of companies where they're just like going pure on news. And I was thinking to myself, this company just talked with Donald J. Trump media. They didn't actually sign anything. They could have been, it could be like the Coinbase meeting that's going down, I think, later this week, that it's not a big deal. They're just, Trump is maybe going to talk to talk with the crypto companies to understand crypto or something. Doesn't necessarily mean that they were going to buy this company. And it wasn't confirmed. It was just posted by Financial Times media. So, you see that and it's like, wow, what a pop in one day. So there's a few positions that I am in right now, three positions. And in total, there's been so many different positions today that we've made trades to be up 13% so far today. But we're in pounds here, so PTIR. All right, so we got an average purchase price of $92. So let's pull that up. If I show you guys again, oh, let's just add it here, PTIR. So pounds here. Okay, this is the 2x. I saw this kind of recovery. And I thought, it seems like it's going to continue its upward direction. And I had a little more confirmation that it was oversold on the MACD. The RSI was starting to, drift closer to that 40 range. And then also today on the 1 day, kind of saw it pull back for a minute there. Let's see where we are. Yeah, so saw it pull back. Like this is right at market open. I saw it pull back here and then validate what was this previous support again right here and start to push up. So for me, I thought, hey, it looks like a buy. It just broke above this previous resistance and kind of looks like it's going to continue to break out. And so I was thinking, what my trade outlook is that it's going to get back to probably around 16, or what is that, $105 for PTIR, which would be about 15%. So just kind of testing that one out. Right now we're at 2.7% gain on the small position that we took on this, just about $2,500, a little bit under $2,500. But yeah, definitely looking at pallets here, gonna see a recovery, I think. But managing my risk, it's quite an interesting one. The valuations is similar to what we saw with NVIDIA. Before NVIDIA had tremendous traction, but there was speculation that they were going to be one of the biggest players in AI and that they were going to be like the biggest company. That was like 2021 when I was investing. And I remember they didn't have any like really, really solid, like it wasn't solid. There was speculation, but they were saying the positioning of the company is going to set them up for success, and that was like why they got a lot of their investments. And then of course by now you guys know, like 2024, 2025, NVIDIA is an absolute powerhouse as a semiconductor company, like supplier. They have data centers. They supply the GPUs for some of the most technologically advanced companies in the world. So, oh, wish I wasn't coughing. Sorry, guys. That's gonna do it for this live stream. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. If you want to watch me trade live tomorrow morning at market open, I would encourage you to simply take a look at Stockmates. That second link down below, got a special link for you. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing. And if you'd like to learn how to invest in tech and AI, again, check out Stockmate, the second link down below. I would encourage you to simply take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.